Hey guys, Rob's Random Stuff here. Today, I'm going to be cooking some delicious bacon in the old air fryer. What we're going to do, I did put some paper towels in the bottom to catch the grease and hopefully keep down on the smoke. I'm going to cook that right on top of our standard grid. We're going to cook temperature. I'm going to start off with 350 because you don't want the bacon smoking up, making a mess and stinking up the house and setting off the smoke alarms. So I'm going to start with 5 minutes and we're going to check it and we'll see how it looks. I think actually I'm going to try the curl method. I'm just going to get a bunch of bacon, maybe not all of it, but a lot of it. We'll just curl it up and throw it in there and see how it looks. I've never cooked this before in the air fryer. So let's get this situated. I'll open up the bacon and right before I turn it on, I'll show you how it looks and we'll start to cook. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Alright guys, got the bacon on a wrapper. Just gonna give it a little twist. Throw it in, doesn't have to be crazy. Try to get as many in here as we can. Twist, twist. Everybody said to twist it, so I'm twisting it. Everything I watched. I don't know why we're twisting it. We'll see how it looks. And we are going to actually overlap a few pieces. We're going to try it that way and see how it cooks in here. I'm not cooking the whole package. I'm going to go crisscross. Try to keep it that way. Maybe it's just so it gets a lot of airflow in between the pieces since we're putting a lot in there, because otherwise, it would take you forever and a day. You'd be cooking 3 pieces of bacon at a time with a smaller air fryer like I have. Right, Robert?
Yeah.
We're trying to get some of this done. Everybody wants bacon, including Robert. Out of the air fryer, of course. So, we're going to see how this turns out. Alright, we're going to throw that in there in just a second. I'm going to wash off my hands and we'll turn it on and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so that's how it looks. We're going to pop it in. 350 degrees, and we're going to check it in 5 minutes. So, and I did not preheat, just going in cold. So, see how that works out. I really didn't want the bacon sizzling and hot next to my hand, but I'm trying to do that. And nothing really said to preheat it, so we're going to try it this way and see how it works out. So, we're going to check back in 5 minutes. Alright guys, we're smelling really good here. A few seconds left and we'll see how it looks. I'm excited. How about you, Robert?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's gonna be good.
It's not going to be done, but I think it's going to start looking like bacon a little bit. Yep. We can see here. It's getting there. Definitely needs more time, obviously. So we're just going to throw it right back in. Give it a little zhuzh. Carefully, of course. Hot bacon grease, never good to splash on you. So I think we're gonna give that, it's gonna cook a little faster now because it's heated up. So we're gonna give that uh, 5 minutes. It is only on 350. And we're off. All right. We're all gonna dream about this bacon for 5 minutes and we'll check back in. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Alright guys, closing in on 10 minutes here. Let's see how we look. Wow. That's cooked. Still a little soft. It's good. And it did cook all the way through for the most part. There's a couple pieces that could use a couple extra seconds, but it definitely cooked. Smells like bacon. Alright, well, we can't eat that just yet, so we're going to cut away for just a second. Let that cool off, and we're going to try a piece. Alright guys, there's the finished product. I took a little nibble. I don't know, it's very good, but I think I still like it better in the oven or the flat top. Definitely does not smoke up the house, so that's a plus, and definitely easier cleanup. As you can see, those paper towels do a good job. Gonna be easy cleanup in there. Quick wipe down. All right, well, I'll give it a 6 out of 10 on the bacon score. We've had better, but still good. So I'd say this was a success. Definitely quick and easy. I probably changed my method a little bit of cooking and just lay some pieces flat, maybe even cut them in half and lay them in there flat so you get a little more even cook on them. But again, first time, but it's very good. Yeah, it tastes good. I do like the flat top on the oven a little better, but still, it's good, passable. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe. See you on the next cook.